Here is a brand new shifting method I've been cooking and trying. Now I'm ready to share it with you guys publicly. It's super easy and this will work for anybody. Whether if you're someone who's really good at getting your mindset for shifting easily, or if you struggle, it doesn't matter. But this will be very beneficial for the ones who struggle and even beginners. So to all the worrywarts out there, this one is for you. This is a sleep method. The first thing you're going to do is get comfortable. Lay down and close your eyes. To be specific, of course, you can do this anywhere, whether if it's on your bed, couch, on the fucking floor, bathtub, standing up if you have a special talent of sleeping while standing up. Of course. I know most of you probably do sleep while laying down. Just doing my job as the shifting teacher of being descriptive. So yeah, lay down and close your eyes. Second thing, and this is something that happens to a lot of people, and that is a lot of random thoughts in the CR will play in your mind. That's the whole point, and let them keep playing. Literally, the random thoughts from the CR is literally part of the method, like a big part of the method. Like I said, this is all for the worry warts. So you're probably going to start feeling anxious, anxiety running through the roof, and feeling very nervous. Keep all of those thoughts and emotions with you while you go on to the next step. Third, visualize yourself in any room you want. And of course, make sure the negative thoughts are there with you. You're in the room with your thoughts. You're in your room and you're having the thoughts in your head at the same time, simultaneously. Then visualize your comfort character from your DR coming to you and tapping you on the shoulder, offering to take you somewhere. Walk with them there. And during the walk, start asking questions to your comfort character, like, where are we going? Or, where are you taking me? However, they will be rhetorical questions, which means they won't answer. And you'll just keep following them as you're walking with them. But if by some reason you're just so desperate for an answer, they will just say, trust me, and the walk continues. Fourth step. When the walk is finally done, you'll have realized that they were taking you to your desired reality all along. Now, this step is 100% based on free will. You can choose whatever you want to do next. If you want to go to sleep and wake up in your DR, you can. If you want to sleep, no, I'm sorry, if you want to keep talking to your comfort character, you can. If you want to keep continuing roaming around in your DR, you can, as long as you already have set the intention in waking up in your desired reality. Which I assume you probably have already set the intention in advance, which is why you're doing the method in the first place. Finally, once you have woken up, you should have arrived to your desired reality. I've been using this to try and shift to my youth DR as of late, and so far I've gained 3 dreams and a spiritual headache. Of course, the DR I attempt to shift to varies depending on the day, and it also depends on the mindset I am too. And of course, every day, I'm either in the same mindset or a different mindset when it comes to choosing where I want to go. But I am an advocate for keeping all of your old scripts, even if you don't necessarily desire the reality anymore. Yes, pun intended. The reason why I say you should never delete any old shifting scripts of your past DRs is because it's good to have backup and security in case anything goes wrong. until you are finally mentally prepared to start shifting to your current one again. Think about your current DR as like a steady income from a job you're currently working at, but your old DRs as like your life savings or insurance policy in case anything goes wrong. Trust me, it really is a good sense of security. And no, it doesn't gotta be a permanent thing, guys. If you end up shifting to your backup DR, you can easily shift to your current one from there. And here's the thing, you don't gotta take my advice or you don't gotta listen to me. At the end of the day, I'm just one person and I share what works with me, and hopefully it works for you guys too. But at the end of the day, you have your own personal preferences and you can make your own decisions. I can't really help you on that part. But let me know what you guys think of the method and comment all your shifting progress down below. And I'll see y'all next time.